How to generate leads on Lusha. So once you are on your dashboard, what you want to do is come here to the left panel and you'll see this option right here that says search. Go ahead and click on this. And now we will basically be searching for prospects or leads. So let me first select an industry. So we have different industries. So if I click here, you'll see a lot of different industries you can go ahead and choose from. Let's do the consumer services industry. We have a lot of different companies right here like Glovo, and let's see, we have John Paul, Mobivia, we have HelloFresh, right? And you can select multiple more industries as well. So let me go ahead and do this. So I have selected the industry. You can also choose specific company names if you want, or their location. And let me go ahead and filter by employee headcount. So I'm going to only look for, because this is too much of a contacts and you can only extract up to 500 at a time. So you want to be very specific with your targeting as well, also to, go ahead and convert better, increase the conversion rate. So I'll do 1,000 to 5,000 employees, and that should narrow it down even more. We have 93,000 contacts. We can go ahead and select revenue, funding, technology as well. I'm just going to go ahead and do this. I'll choose contact location. I only want contacts, let's say in the Silicon Valley, right? So I go ahead and search Silicon Valley. Let's do San Francisco. Let's do that. This is much better. Yeah. We'll do San Francisco. And now we are down to 319 people. Now I want to go ahead and look for people that have product in their job title. For example, search this up. For example, a product management, things like titles like that. So go ahead and choose that product. I'll add that as my job title. We have now 44 contacts. So this is the director of project management. This is the senior product analyst, product marketing manager. So if you want to go ahead and get their contacts, all you do is you can either click on this person and click on more people, select them, click on show details right here. And now we can see their phone numbers. As you can see, these people, I cannot see their numbers until I click on show details. That basically uses up credits. And I can add these people now to my list. So click on save actions, add to list, right? You can choose this outreach list, which I have created, or we can come and create a new list. I'm just going to go ahead and press and continue. And now it's saving my contacts. And if you want to just get one person, so let's do this person, Angel Zhao. I'll click on show details and now I can save this to my list. And of course, guys, you can also go ahead and add these people to your CRM directly, right? So click on save to. You can save to CRM. You basically have to connect your client relationship management platform. They have different ones. They have Salesforce integrations, HubSpot, Outreach, Pipedrive, Zoho, and also Bullhorn. So go ahead and do that, and you can easily generate leads. And now if I come to the list, you'll see all your leads on your list right here. And if you want to go ahead and download all of these as, for example, a CSV, can really easily export them. You can either individually select certain people, or you come here, click on this check mark, and then you can go ahead and export all of them to a CSV, start downloading automatically. And I can open this up right here in my Excel file. And you can go ahead and do a lot of things with this. Really easy and simple, guys.